I just recorded a 7-minute video and it didn't capture my audio. So we're gonna try this again. Take two, take two. I know, I know, I know. We in a different setting, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like we're always maintaining the consistency. That's the whole basis of this, right? I'm in the bathtub right now. I'm in the bathtub. And like we're still back at it on the charts, getting at it every Sunday. Y'all know how we do. Y'all know how we do it over here. Real quick, I'm just gonna go over the markets. This video won't be very long at all, but just gonna go over all the pairs that I personally trade, and we're just gonna go from there. Just to start the week off positive, start the week off prepared. That's all I say. Just be prepared, and the rest will flow from there. So I hate that I have to break this all over again, but okay, let's get into it. All right, first pair is UJ. Right, UJ. I mentioned that this thing tweaking. This thing tweaking. All the way to the monthly. All right, forgive me, y'all. All right, so real quick, UJ bullish market based off these higher low right here being maintained. We also have a lot of bullish volume within this market. So what I would pretty much target is this previous high right here. As of right now, as market open, we still are maintaining that volume. So that does look good. I would need to look at the news for the week just to see if that could impact some things. But right now, I'm bullish. Moving average pretty much pointing to the upside, especially daily. Wishy-washy 4 hour. It seems like it's transitioning to that upside 2 hour, transitioning pretty much in a 1 hour transitioning. So I believe that we will get a bullish move ultimately all the way to these highs. Gold. So I mentioned that we had 4 touches, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 at this area of key resistance. Due to that, we had a major reaction last week. As you can see, major reaction as a response to hitting that area of resistance. So if you took these sells, you nice. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If you took them sells, you tough. You tough. Right? Broke area of support, maintain flow. Cool. What I can see for this week is a continuation of that flow, right? We also see this break of the trend line like that. Also, we have a pullback like that. Exhaustion on the daily like that. So it's a matter of if it could maintain that. And then also, if I would be looking for sales, I would wait for a pullback and push. Y'all know how we do it. Pull back and push every single time, waiting on a discount. That applies to this pair as well on EJ. EJ bullish, right? Just like UJ, bullish. EJ is also bullish. Typically, these two pairs will correlate in some type of way, meaning that oftentimes they move in the same direction, right? Depending on certain factors. But last week we had a break of all of this. We had 2 counter trend lines broke, and we have bullish structure. Just like UJ, we have our higher lows, breaking of previous highs. Cool. As of right now, it's all the way up here at 173,896. What I would be waiting for if I were to get in for these longs, I would wait for a pullback. Just like I was saying on gold, we need a pullback either here, somewhere amongst this area, pullback and push. But I'm not going to get it now because we wait on a discount. Discount. Y'all know how we do it every single time. Don't deviate from what the rules are. Don't deviate from the strategy. Don't deviate from what we know. You know what I'm saying? Just stick with it. And the last pair is GU. So with GU, I mentioned that it's pretty much in an equilibrium state, meaning that we see some signs that it could go bullish and bearish signs as well. So the reason why I say bullish is because overall on this daily time frame, we've been maintaining a bullish structure of higher lows, higher highs, right? And after this previous high, we saw that structure was broken on the 4 hour. I also want to mention that we're still maintaining this overall area of support, which also proves or gives us another reason as to why this is bullish, right? Bearish because it broke structure. As we go to the 4-hour time frame, we have a counter trend line, right? Broke it beautifully. Came back, respected it, came back and broke here, and that was horrible. But broke there, broke below the moving average, made a nice move, pull back all the way up here, and nice sell. So if you took that, you're tough. On the daily though, still maintaining this area of support. I would be looking at shorts, or would be looking for selling activity if we break this area of support, right? I would need to see a break of the area of support for me to think bearish overall in this market. Until then, I'm pretty much bullish, but still like equilibrium, like it's in the middle type thing. But yeah, if it does break, I can see it heading to the negative 27. Repeat it, negative 27%. We always say it. That's typically our target, negative 27. If we were to find some confluence among here, it also kind of matches up with this area of support that we see right here. So I like the look of that. And it would also touch the moving average. So that would be a cool little selling move if it does break support. But if. That's it though. That's it for the video. In the shower with it. Back at it every single Sunday with the breakdown video. Yeah. All in the sake of consistency. I appreciate y'all for watching the video. And I'll catch you on the next one. Let's have a great week. And take care of yourself.